Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you are planning a trip to the stunning coastal city of Da Nang, Vietnam, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the absolute bare essentials you need to pack, plus some crucial items I really wish I'd known to bring. Trust me, learning from my packing mishaps will save you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. Look, Da Nang is a paradise. Beautiful beaches, incredible food, rich culture, but packing can be tricky. It's hot, humid, and you'll be doing a lot of exploring. So let's get into it. Let's start with the absolute must haves, okay? First up, the non negotiables. These are your standard travel essentials, but with a Vietnam twist. So, number one, lightweight, breathable clothing. Think linen, cotton, quick dry fabrics, shorts, t shirts, sundresses for the ladies. I recommend packing clothes you don't mind getting a little dirty or sweaty, especially if you're hitting up, you know, local markets or street food stalls. Swimwear. Obviously, Da Nang has some gorgeous beaches like My Khe Beach. Pack at least two sets of swimsuit. That way, one can dry out. Um, Next, comfortable walking shoes or sandals. You'll be doing a lot of walking, exploring temples, markets, and the city itself. Comfortable, broken in shoes are a game changer. Flip flops are great for the beach, but for serious exploring, opt for something with more support. Uh, Sun protection. High SPF sunscreen. The sun here is intense. Don't skim on high SPF sunscreen. A wide brimmed hat and a good quality sunglasses are non negotiable. Reapply frequently. Basic toiletry. While you can get most items here, having your preferred brands, especially for sensitive skin, is a good idea. Small travel size are perfect. Now, for the real goal. These are the items that often get overlooked, but it will significantly improve your trip. 1. Light rain jacket or poncho. Even in the dry season, unexpected tropical downpours can happen. It is raining right now because we are in the middle of the raining season. Anyways, a lightweight, packable rain jacket or a simple poncho will save you from getting drenched. You can buy cheap ponchos locally, but having one ready is a lifesaver. Um, Insect repellents with DEET, DEET. Mosquitoes are a reality, especially in the evening or if you're venturing near bodies of water or greeneries. Get a good repellent, preferably ones, like I said, with DEET, and use it. Dengue fever is a concern, so better safe than sorry. Uh, and then I don't know about you guys, but for someone like me, I am sure this will apply to you also. Power bank. You'll be using your phone constantly for maps, photos, translating, and finding the best pho or banh mi. outlets aren't always available when you need them. So a fully charged power bank is essential. Um, and a small day pack or a crossbody pack for the daily excursion. You'll want something secure to carry water, your phone, your wallet, and perhaps that rain jacket or the umbrella. So a crossbody bag is great for keeping valuable clothes in crowded areas. Med kit, anti-diarrheal, pain relievers, band-aids. Traveler's stomach can hit anyone. Pack, Imodium, or a similar anti-diarrheal. Pain relievers for headaches, maybe, to help you cope with the constant constructions that are happening around you. And a few bandages for blisters are also smart to have on hand. While while pharmacies are available, having your own stash is convenient. And then a quick dry towel. A microfiber towel is incredibly versatile. Great for the beach, drying off after a sudden downpour, or even um, as an impromptu picnic blanket. They pack down tiny and dry super fast. Okay, let's talk tech and make sure you are legally ready. Okay. Universal travel adapter. Vietnam uses Type A, C, and G outlets. A universal adapter will cover all your bases. Um, Digital copies of important documents. Keep a physical photocopy of your passport, your visa, flight details separate from your originals. Um, Also, have digital copies saved on the cloud on your phone. This is crucial in case anything gets lost. eSIM or a local SIM card. I will put a link to the eSIM service that I use in my description, so be sure to check there, okay? But while Wi-Fi is widely available here, having constant data for maps, ride-hailing apps like Grab, and emergencies is incredibly helpful. So do consider picking up an eSIM before you get here. And I will, like I said again, I will put the company that I go through in the description. All right. Let me see. Here, finally, here are some more tips that will make your trip a lot smoother and more uh, respectful, if you will. Modest attire. So, if you are planning on visiting any religious site like Lady Buddha uh, or the many magnificent, beautiful temples around Da Nang, always carry something to cover your shoulders and knees. So, a lightweight scarf or a sarong works wonder for the ladies. For men's, you might want to pack a longer shorts or a lightweight trousers. Money, bills. While debit cards and credit card are accepted at larger establishments, many local street food vendors and smaller shops prefer cash, especially small denominations. It's also handy for tipping or bargaining. Although Vietnam is not a tipping culture, I highly encourage you to tip your Grab driver. Um, if you're going to go get your nails and your hair done, tip those people. And also tip the person that comes in and clean your room uh, either if you're in a hotel or wherever you're staying at, like a homestay. Um, then let me see, a reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated in the heat. Many hotels and cafes have water refill stations, reducing your plastic waste. Okay. Uh, and then, last but not least, a lightweight shopping bag. You'll probably pick up some souvenir or market things. A reusable bag saves you from accumulating plastic bags. Okay? So, there you have it. The ultimate packing list for your Da Nang adventure. Remember, less is often more, especially when you factor in the humidity and the likelihood of picking up some cool new clothes or souvenirs. Focus on versatile, breathable item. And those which I knew essential will truly elevate your experience.